Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to print table of a given number. So let's start this. In the first step, we have created a function using def keyword. This line creates a function named table. A function is like a recipe. It tells Python how to do something when called. Here the function takes two input number, the number for which we want the multiplication table, and limit how many rows of the table to print. So we have kept the limit till 10 as we want the table to be printed till 10. Now in the next line, this prints a title to tell us what number the table is for. For example, if number is 5, it will print multiplication table of 5. Here the F string format makes it easy to insert the value of number to the text. Now in the next line, this starts a loop that goes through numbers from 1 to limit inclusively. For example, if the limit is 10, the loop will go through 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. Now in the next line inside the loop, this line prints one row of the multiplication table. It uses an F string to dynamically insert number, the fixed number being multiplied. I means the current step in the loop, number into I, the result of multiplying the two. For example, when I is equals to 1, prints 5 into 1 is equals to 5, and when I is equals to 2, prints 5 into 2 is equals to 10, so on until 10. Now in the next step, this asks the user to type a number to enter a number for which we want to print the table. Now in the last step, this line runs the table function using the number the user entered. It generates and prints the multiplication table for that number. So let's check this program. As I want to print the table of 12, hence we can see the table of 12. So thanks for watching this video.